las herramientas.
Okay.
Por acá, por favor.
I see.
Sí,
Okay.
está todo.
Muchas gracias.
Bueno.
Thank you. Hello world, this is ML, and I am back with another video vlog. But this time, I want to share with y'all some of my experiences when I visited El Salvador. The location I'm at is called Picnic Steakhouse. As you observe this colorful pathway, I am about to hop in this slide, which cost me about $5. That's right. Admission price is $5. And by the way, my apologies. I took so long to post another vlog, but your boy's been busy. I am just grateful I was fortunate enough to go to El Salvador when the weather was fabulous. It was hot though. The sun was beaming. So here I am waiting for my turn to go. Just a little heads up, El Salvador is mountainous. So you might want to consider renting a SUV. Don't be like me, which rented a 4-door sedan. It kind of struggled a little bit. So I am sitting on this inflatable tube. My man about to push me down. Look at them sexy legs. So basically, he's instructing me to keep my feet up, lean back, and just relax while I'm holding my Canon 70D. Here I go. So as you can see, it happened in seconds. So here I am. I got the jitters out. That was all right. That was okay. I'm about to walk up and do it one more time. And for those who's going to this location and slide down, don't be like me. Grab your inflatable tube and place it on the side. Don't be like me, guys. Grab it and place it on the side. As I head back to the beginning of the slides, I want to share with y'all where I went for breakfast. So the name of the spot is called States Diner. It's an American theme diner located in San Salvador. Now I had sunny side up eggs, pancakes, sausage. I didn't eat the sausage though. And I think they had tater tots or hash browns. Yes. I think they had hash browns. And definitely I had coffee. Good coffee, by the way. And freshly squeezed orange juice. Now the price point were not bad. I just thought that it was a bit pricey. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I think it was $15. Now you could call me cheap, but I think that was pricey for breakfast in El Salvador. Now my mistake was I should have went to a local spot, but I went and asked Google where to go for breakfast in San Salvador. But next time when I come back and revisit El Salvador, I will make sure I hit up a local spot that serves authentic breakfast. Of course, because I just wanted to experience what they serve for breakfast instead of American breakfast. But like what they say, you live and you learn, try again. It was my first time in El Salvador. Literally, I only had one day to experience, and I am planning to go back. So, for those with any recommendations on where to get good El Salvadoran breakfast, leave me a comment. All right, this is from another angle, shot from the bottom of the slide. Here I go for the second time. Okay, so I just parked in this parking lot, which cost me 1 US coin. This parking lot was recommended to me by one of the guard, or I think he was a policeman. He was wearing a brown uniform, and he told me I should park there because initially where I parked was not for public use. Okay, all right. Now, I want to talk about the process of entering El Salvador. As for me, I came from Miami International Airport. Mid flight, you will be handed a custom declaration form. It will ask you for some basic information, your complete name, your age, your sex, your passport number, and are you declaring any valuable items? As far as with me, I travel light. I bought a mid-size bag and a camera bag. So that was easy for me since I traveled light. So upon arrival, going through customs, the fee, I think it's the entry fee. It will cost you $12 to enter El Salvador. The good thing about it is they take cash and also credit card. The custom agents were cordial, professional. They asked me a few questions. What's my purpose in El Salvador? My reply was vacation, leisure. And they asked me where am I staying. I showed them my receipt of the hotel. That was that. They snapped my passport. I'm good to go. Now, after customs, there's another checkpoint, custom agent. They check my custom declaration form. They ask me the same question, where I'm going, what I'm here for, if I check in any bags. I told him I only have 2 items, a mid-sized bag and a camera bag. He looked at it and he said, okay, you're good to go. And that was it. That was the process. Now, I rented a car, Alamo rental spot right close to customs. So basically, as soon as you pass customs, all the rental companies will be there. What I like about Alamo in El Salvador, they sent me a message through WhatsApp just confirming my reservation, and they are expecting me. which is cool because I thought that was very professional, very convenient, and I think that's how you should run business. You should follow up on your customers. Last but not least, I want to talk about safety. There were a lot of police presence, there were a lot of military presence, so I felt safe. Would I go back again? Most definitely, that's a yes. I have still yet to visit Surf City and the new amusement park that they built out there. I'm definitely coming back. Not one point I felt like my life was threatened, so it's all good. And also, I want to add this. Not one time there were anyone trying to sell me something, hassling me, trying to stop me. No one did that. So I'm definitely going back. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Pray.